Now, I wanted to mention that both ChatGPT and Claude have some sort of scheduling option, which makes it really handy for some of the items that you may want to create. Now, in Claude, there is a scheduled area, so you can create an item and then you can basically go in and say, hey, I want to run my daily orders by customer every day at 9 a.m., right? So in this simplistic example, mind you, there's not a ton of data here for the purpose of the demo. It's just to show you, right? Retrieve any new orders entered into the system on any day to group it by order, customer, etc., and run it every day at 9 a.m. You also have options when you're setting up the schedule to determine the frequency, right? Daily, weekly, etc. The actual time. Is this in a project or is this going to be saved to a folder, right? Do you need manual approval in case there's some sort of a prompt that it needs your attention on, or do you want it to skip those approvals, etc.? So the nice thing is that once you program it, it'll start running automatically, right? The day I created it, there were no orders entered that day. Then it ran the next time and there were a couple of orders entered, right? And there may or may not have been some orders entered each day, but every day that you click into, big or small quantities, this is just to show you it's actually updating, and then this will actually appear either in a folder where you could simply open it up as a potential Excel file, or you can simply come in and look at the daily orders by customer dashboard that you've saved into Claude and or ChatGPT. So scheduling is a really great feature to allow you to get updated information accurately in those cases where it makes sense to say, hey, every day at 6 a.m., prepare my data so when I come in, I can review the latest and greatest information.